Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select your period length and cycle length on the period calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the settings option in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on period length in the first section, and here you can indicate it by tapping on the current day. As you can see, it says that bleeding usually lasts between 4 and 7 days, so tap on the relevant one. As you can see, the options are ranging from 1 to 98. So tap on the relevant one, and then you can also turn on this use average option. So use average value to predict your next ovulation. Here you can select this cycle, tap on the button save, and if you want to add your cycle length as well, you can tap on this button and select the relevant one. As you can see, cycle length is time from the first day of your period until the day before your next period. So here you can also turn on this use average function, and there is this for irregular cycle option, meaning that they ignore the cycles less than 15 days, longer than 90 days. So tap on the checkmark icon in the upper right corner of the screen and then press save in order to save all these changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.